Center of Excellence in Advanced Manufacturing Technology at IIT Kharagpur is aiming to do industrial research. It is visioning as a manufacturing catapult in transforming the academic research into industrial practice. This has been set up early 2018 with the support from Department of Heavy Industries under the Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises, and forming a consortium of top industries in our country. We do have Tata Consultancy Service, Tata Motors, Tata Sons, Tata Steel, HEC Ranchi and BHEL. Researchers at Center of Excellence in Advanced Manufacturing Technology are working in 4 thematic areas such as specialty materials, design and automation, additive manufacturing and industry 4.0. Research projects are getting carried out in this newly developed Center of Excellence, which is a 40,000 square feet the area. We are giving training to the MSME sectors on advanced manufacturing concept such as computerized numerical control. We are also planning to give training on the most wanted topic, which is the industrial robotics. This Center of Excellence is open to all industry sectors, starting from the big to the very small and also to the startup. So the startups can come forward, they can use our facility to nurture their concept and build up the early prototypes for their the product.
The developed system employs cloud infrastructure for managing the sensory data, deriving real-time insights about the welding process, and subsequently controls the FSW machine by sending optimized parameters. This has been achieved by employing various signal processing and machine learning techniques. So this has been a very cost-saving solution as it eliminates the material rejection and there is no need for performing the quality test as well. I am quite excited that the developed solution is now filed as a patent with Tata Consultancy Services.
In a very short span, the Center of Excellence in Advanced Manufacturing Technology has developed a very low-cost artificial intelligence-based Industry 4.0 solution for real-time dimension check of the product. This solution will immensely help the MSME sector.
This innovation is about a low-cost Industry 4.0 solution developed for the MSMEs. It is a customized software embedded with computer vision, AI and ML algorithm that takes pictures of a product and measures the dimensional features in real time. It also checks the surface quality as well. Here we used for the image capturing a very low-cost webcam as the software intelligently enhances the image quality in real time, which eliminates the cost of an expensive camera.
We have tested a variety industrial products such as those used in transmission lines, automobiles and mechanical tools. We have obtained accuracy close to 99% within just 10 seconds.
We are also lucky to have Tata Sons as our industry partner. What we basically want to do in this particular project with the help of IoTs and also the traditional manufacturing systems and the logistics systems and with the application of digital technologies, we are trying to improve upon the efficiencies so that the products become more competitive, the steps are also optimized, and moreover a very good optimization can be built with the large enterprises along with the SME sector.
One of the major gain points for any industry is to tackle the unplanned breakdown. So in collaboration with Tata Metallics, we have developed this software where we have leveraged Internet of Things, IoT and machine learning algorithms to come up with a predictive maintenance software. We have created this dashboard for annealing furnace which is fitted with a gearbox where we can tell in what mode the machine is running and when it is about to fail. This helps Tata Metallics a lot. They have estimated that in indirect cost they can save up to 1 crore rupees due to the increase in productivity in in the direct cost, they can reduce the downtime by 40 hours, man hours by around 400 hours, and 8 lakhs in the wastage cost. If such software is available for our MSMEs, which is very, very, simple to implement and very cheap, that can help them drastically, and that is actually the real meaning of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
This center is one of its kind in the whole country, we can say, because the facilities and the infrastructure which has been created, it's really unique, and it will be of great help to all the MSMEs for quality manufacturing of products which otherwise they cannot do. Some of the work which we have done in last couple of years is of very interest to be noted here. That with the help of TCS, we have developed a real-time monitoring and control of defects on any manufacturer, which is one of its kind, because a lot of products are wasted. If online, on the go, if the welding is going on and we can find out the defect and control, I think there is nothing like that. And hence, the software has been developed in consultation with TCS. The second thing which has been done is low cost, real time, you can say, dimensional control. The other third product we have done is through a software which talks of the predictive maintenance, and this is a unique one which is being used in Tata Metallics, one of the companies. And with these three things we are progressing, but then we have bigger plans to come up with some of the trainings which are already going on some of the budding apprentices which are available with BTech degree or even diploma degree. We are trying to train them for working in different heavy industries or in advanced industries, or also can become entrepreneurs, as well as this facility will help the MSMEs. And through this, we will also like to enhance our capability for robotics and virtual and augmented reality in near future as well. So with this, I think we are progressing, and we are planning to have all sorts of even bigger industries to come and get the quality product made. And this will go a long way in serving all companies, including the MSMEs. Thank you.